Guys, welcome back to another video. Oh my god, I'm so excited to share this with you. These are homemade egg rolls and they're filled with cabbage, carrot, saltfish, and some other good stuff I'm going to share with you. Don't go anywhere. You're going to want to see this because it's not your everyday cabbage and saltfish recipe. First thing I did was to prepare the veggies, guys. So I'm shredding the carrot on the grater, and next I am cutting the cabbage as small as possible. Add some oil and butter to a pot. Next, I'm going to add some herbs and aromatics that I've already chopped. Bell pepper, 2 different colors, garlic, and onions. And I'm using white onion. You can use any onion of your choice. I have some thyme I'm removing from the stem.
I have black pepper. I have celery seed. I have pepper, and I have some chicken stock. Guys, this is codfish, but this is the pickled codfish. Saltfish is a part of Jamaica's national dish, and so we use it a lot back home. So I'm breaking up the fish into pieces. This is a boneless saltfish, so I didn't have to worry to pick out bones or worry that bones are gonna get in there. Things have gotten so easy, huh? Hey, back in the days you pick bone till you pick bone.
I have some oyster sauce.
For a subtle type of sweetness, I'm adding some sugar. And this is the time when I add the cabbage and the carrot to the pot. Guys, I'm steaming it for 3 minutes because I don't want the cabbage to be soggy. Once I bite into the egg rolls, I must have some form of crunch. And so I'm not going to let this cabbage stay too long on the heat. As you can see, it's already wilted, which is perfect. And remember, the saltfish is already cooked with all the herbs and aromatics. If we know anything about cabbage, it produces a lot of water. And so I'm going to strain it off in this thing here.
And I'm gonna let it drain.
So guys, once I put the filling on the wrapper, I just arrange it and then I fold. This reminds me of making a burrito, and I have some water right by my hand right there. I'm just gonna use it to seal this wrapper. And that's all there is to it. Guys, for one, this recipe was absolutely simple. It was delicious, and I could have these for lunch right throughout the week. I just grab one and go, or grab two and go. It was so convenient. And so I will make these over and over again, probably with different filling, but these are gonna be my absolute go-to on a busy work week. Guys, I served these up with some sweet chili, and the combination was absolutely delicious. I just want to say thank you for your support, and I'll see you soon with another incredible recipe. Until then, walk good. Peace.